Hello, and welcome to Lucky Number Analysis Lab. Today, we will review the most recent Powerball results and explore data-driven insights for the upcoming draw. 1. Last draw winning numbers. The drawing on September 20th produced the following numbers: 15, 29, 64, 66, 67, and the Powerball was 4. 2. Basic analysis. The total sum of this combination was 241, which is above the average range. The digit sum, the sum of the last digits of each number, was 31. Looking at number types, there were 3 odd numbers and 2 even numbers. 3. Prime, multiples, and composite numbers. Prime numbers 2, multiples of 3 2, composite numbers 1. A noteworthy point is that 3 numbers came from the 60s range, which is relatively rare. 4. Projection for the next draw. Based on recent digit sum patterns, last draw's value was 31. So for the upcoming draw, it is likely to fall within the 14 to 26 range. Note the digit sum is calculated by taking the last digit of each winning number and adding them together. The total sum is expected to fall within 100 to 199, with a higher probability of 2 to 4 numbers appearing from the 30s, 40s, and 50s ranges. 5. Powerball outlook. For the Powerball itself, numbers between 21 and 26 appear to be the most favorable range this week. This concludes our data-based review of the latest Powerball draw. In the next episode, we will once again examine the winning results and uncover meaningful patterns together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the growth of the Lucky Number Analysis Lab. Wishing you the very best of luck.